Today we are going to learn how to change the cPanel password using Hostbella Control Panel. Here we are going to log in through Hostbella Control Panel. To do so, first navigate toward hostbella.com and then click on the Control Panel icon placed right next to the shopping cart icon on the top right menu. You will be redirected to the Secure Client Login page. Enter your email password and click Login. You will be logged into the Hostbella Control Panel. Here, visit the Services section present on the front page, which is Dashboard. You will see your hosting plans currently being used from the Hostbella. Click on the hosting service you want to change the password for. If you are using multiple hosting services, all will be appearing here. On the next page, click Change Password, present in the left side menu. You can either enter your customized password here, or you can auto-generate a secured password using a password generator. Always remember to copy it before you click Next. Click on the Save Changes, and it will redirect to a new page and password change confirmation will appear on the screen. Now you will need to log into cPanel using the new password. And that completes how to change cPanel password using Hostbella Control Panel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.